So guys, OnePlus Watch is finally here. Now the biggest question every user has is that, is OnePlus Watch worth buying? And the answer is actually not that simple. This OnePlus Watch is actually very weirdly priced according to me. I mean look, it's full of features and I get that. But India is a price-centric market and OnePlus also knows that. This watch is powered by STM32 chipset. It also gets 1 GB of RAM and 4 GB of onboard storage, so you can store songs in this watch. This watch gets a number of sensors including a geomagnetic sensor, acceleration sensor, a gyroscope sensor, optical heart rate and air pressure sensor, blood oxygen sensor, ambient light sensor, capacitance sensor. This allows this watch to have 110 plus workout modes. This watch is also 5 ATM and IP68 certified. That means it can be used for swimming and more activities. This watch comes with a circular dial with 1.39 inch 2.5D curved AMOLED display panel. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, NFC and GPS. On a single charge, it can last up to 2 weeks, which is very interesting. Now, if we take a look at the pricing, it's available for 17,000 Indian rupees or 159 euros or 159 US dollars. So it directly competes with Oppo Watch, which also comes in the same price range. Now I'm not gonna compare these two watches in this video. That's a topic for another video. And if you are interested in that comparison, let me know in comments down below. The Oppo Watch also comes with Wear OS and the OnePlus Watch runs real-time OS. Now Oppo Watch, when used with its all features, lasts around 30 hours, which is very less than OnePlus Watch. So here's my honest opinion. If you are on a tight budget, just go with the Oppo Watch, as I've used Oppo Watch and I really like its overall performance. It's feature-rich smartwatch. Now OnePlus Watch is not a bad product by any means, but it's slightly overpriced and that's why it's very hard to recommend. It always feels very bad when OnePlus comes with a product that I can't suggest to a normal user. But hey, that's just my opinion. Do you agree with me? Let me know in comments down below. Yeah, there's one more thing. OnePlus Watch is now available at 15,000 rupees for a limited early time period. And that price seems kind of good. So if you hurry, you can get your hands on OnePlus Watch at lower price. So guys, that's it for this video. Follow me on Twitter at TechXTRJ. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.